Okay, so ang question, which one is better, moist heat or dry heat sterilization? So from the word moist, of course, there is water and dry is without water. So moist heat sterilization, usually we use autoclave or yung steam. Sometimes yung pressure cooker sa bahay could be used for moist heat sterilization. And for dry heat, of course, we have the drying oven. So what's the main difference? So in terms of dry heat, actually, they kill the microorganism by protein denaturation, similar with moist heat, and oxidative damage, and of course, it increased levels of electrolytes. However, in moist heat, there is also increase of coagulation, and the most important thing, since there is presence of water, hydrolysis, and we break down proteins and other biomolecules dun sa microbes by hydrolysis, so the power of water. Okay. And latent heat liberate when the steam condense on a cooler surface. So, anong pipiliin nyo? Dry heat or moist heat? Since malaki yung advantage actually ng moist heat. So, kung makikita nyo here, the temperature is around 121, 125, or 134. And as the temperature increases, the time to sterilize also decreases. So it's usually range from 3 minutes to 15-minute sterilization time, depende dun sa temperature. Okay, so usually in the lab, we're using moist heat to sterilize yung mga Petri plates, media, glasswares at 121 degrees Celsius for 15 psi or 15 pound square inches. That's the pressure inside the autoclave. Okay, and that will we sterilize things at 15 minutes, like 15 minutes at 121 degrees Celsius. Remember that. Okay, that is a basic of microbiology. Okay, class. For dry heat, we use, of course, the oven, dry oven. 121 degrees C, it requires 600 minutes. So, sobrang tagal. So, usually, ang ginagawa natin, ni-raise natin yung temperature into 170 degrees Celsius for 60 minutes, or mas maganda 160 or longer. Okay. So, bakit? At kailan tayo gagamit ng dry heat? So, pwede naman kayo gumamit ng dry heat for glasswares. Pero tandaan nyo, there are some compounds or chemicals na hindi kailangan natin i-subject to moisture. Okay? For example, yung mga anhydrous powder, so dapat dry heat yun. Otherwise, if nilagay niyo yung powder sa moist heat or sa autoclave, yung mga anhydrous siya, so mag-absorb siya ng moist, and hindi siya maganda sa experiment or depende sa experiment. Okay. So, ito yung autoclave. So, ganito yung itsura ng autoclave. Iba-iba yung itsura ng autoclave, pero yung mechanism ay pare-pareho. Yung pressure, hindi siya yung pumapatay dun sa microorganism. Rather, the pressure, it maintains the temperature. Okay? So, yung intense temperature inside, that kind of kills the microorganism. So what happened is may water to inside, so may moist. So mag-evaporate yung water forming steam. And then, of course, increase yung pressure into 15 psi. And then inside, ma-retain yung temperature into 121 degrees Celsius. And enough time to kill the spores, pathogens, viruses for 15 minutes. Okay, that's all.